Sorry guys, I was getting a little ahead of myself there. So where I left off is that you are going to replace the plastic piece here, put the springs, and then the wires are going to cross each other this way and that way. And then these wires are going to come across this way and this way. Again, keep in mind the one that's going towards the bottom here is going to be the longer one. And that's because, again, the regulator is farther away from this pulley than it is from this pulley. So after you get those two wires coming this way, when you take this regulator off, it'll probably have a jumble of wires and the this circular piece all still attached to it. Go ahead and pull that off. You're going to pull this circular piece off and the wires off, and the regulator itself will be fine. You just have to put it on again after the fact. But what you're going to notice underneath all that, you're going to notice a spot for this round piece to go in. And there's going to actually be a spindle that it comes up on. You'll know which direction to put this because if you can see those teeth are supposed to be on the regulator side. On the other side, they don't exist. But what you are going to notice, you're going to notice in the middle of this, after you move the regulator, there's going to be a little metal spindle. And that's how this will stay there. Also, along the metal spindle, there will be 3 posts that are coming up, making sure the wires do not get out of alignment. And I'll show you from the side what I mean. If you can see right there on that side, right there on that side, and then there's another post on the other side. I'm not sure if you can see it, but anyways, so there's 3 of these posts that will keep this round plastic piece in place. So when you're doing this install, once you have these loose wires all run through both of the both of the guards or whatever, go ahead and put this right in the middle with the teeth side looking up. And then when you do that, go ahead and take the wires. You're going to want to take this wire and put it up top, because when you notice the teeth side's up, you notice how this side is facing this direction, and then on the other side it's facing the same direction. But if I put it down, then that works for pulling this wire.